Fifth problem, the angle of elevation at the top of a tower from point of the ground and the distance of 150 meter from its foot is found to be 60 degrees. Okay, so this is the tower. Let us say this is the tower. This is the tower. So here this distance is given. This distance is 150 meters. 150 meters, and this is the from the and distance of 150 meters from its foot is found to be 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Okay, this is 150 meters. This is 60 degrees. Okay. Again, it's very simple. What you have to do is we have to calculate. The height. What is the height? Height of the tower. This is the height. What is the height of the tower? That is the question. It's the ground. What is the height of the tower? So this is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. This is base. This is hypotenuse. According to trigonometry. So we have to calculate tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Here the angle of elevation is given 60 degrees. So tan 60 is equal to root 3. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Here P is equal to is given. That is perpendicular, we have to calculate. We know the base. So this is tan, that is root 3 is equal to perpendicular. That is height of the tower. Height. It's a height of the tower. Height of the tower divided by base. Okay. Here base is given 150. Therefore, root 3 into 150. That is the height of the tower. That is height of the tower. So that is equal to 259.80. So that is 259.80 meters. That is the height of the tower. Okay. Sixth problem, a guard observes an enemy boat from an observation tower at a height of 150 meters above sea level to be at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. To be at an angle of 30 degrees. So, here a guard, an army soldier, is monitoring the enemy's boat. So, this is the height of the tower is 150 meters. Okay. Above the sea level. Here angle of depression is given. Angle of depression is given. This is a horizontal line. So this is the horizontal line. This is angle of depression. So here the angle of depression is 30 degrees. Here this is 30 degrees. Okay. This is 30 degrees. This 30 degrees is called as angle of depression. If it is 30 degrees, this is also 30 degrees. This is also 30 degrees. First question is, calculate the nearest meter, the distance of a boat. Here there is a boat. Okay, this is the boat. Here a boat. From the foot of the observation tower. So this is the foot of the observation tower. Okay. So what is this distance? That is the question. What is this distance? So very simple. This is a right angle triangle. This is base. This is perpendicular, this is acute angle, this is hypotenuse. Straight away we can calculate tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Tan theta is equal to tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Here theta is equal to 30 degrees, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Okay, perpendicular by base. Here what is the perpendicular? This is 150. This is 150. We have to calculate base. What is that base? That is the distance. That is the nearest distance of a board from the foot of the observation tower. We have to calculate that this is the distance. So instead of base we can calculate it's a distance. So this is the base we have to calculate. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 150 by base. Here base, that is the distance. Distance of a board from the foot of the tower. Foot from the observation tower, OT, observation, that is equal to 150 into root 3. What is 150 into root 3? 150 into root 3. 150 into root 3. That is equal to 259.80. This is 259.80 meters. So this distance is 259.80 meters. This is 259.80 meters. That is the answer. That is the first question answer. Second question is, after some time, it is observed that the boat is 200 meters from the foot of the tower. So here we are seeing the boat is almost, this is 259 and he saw the boat at the 200 meters. This is 200 meters. Calculate the new angle of depression. That is the question. Here, this is the 200 meters. This distance is 200 meters. This is 200 meters. Here, this is another triangle. This is 200 meters. This is 150 meters. What is the angle of depression? This angle. That is the angle of this. That is the second question. Again, we have to calculate theta. What is the theta? Theta. That here, theta is the angle of depression. This angle between this is horizontal. You see, this is a horizontal. Here this is a line of sight. Here this is a line of sight. Here this is a line of sight. This angle is called as angle of depression. Here we have to calculate this angle. Okay. We know the perpendicular. We know the base. We can easily calculate tan theta. Okay. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. 150 by 200. 150 by 200. That is 15 by 20. That is equal to 0.75. Tan theta is equal to 0.75. Theta is equal to inverse tan. That is equal to 36.87. 36.87 degrees. Okay. This new angle of depression is 36.87 degrees. This is, okay, I can write 36.87 degrees. So this is a second question answer.